So it's currently Saturday, about 7:15. Heading out for Lindsay's Christmas work party today. So just wanted to go take you guys through what I'm wearing. I want to see some comments on the videos as well. Let me know what you think, because I'm not too sure if I can pull these off. I've got skinny jeans on. This is the first time I've ever worn skinny jeans. Not too sure if the calves are big enough to put them off, but yeah, let me know what you think. Long sleeve top, nice and baggy, green, and I'm going to wear some loafers. So there you go. Got myself a skinny wallet. This is my sister bought this for my birthday because it fits nicely in the back pocket without sticking out. And that's it. All set to go. Took Lindsay to get her car serviced this morning, done a client, then went off to play football, scored an absolute belting goal as well with my left foot. I am right footed. I'm going to boast about it because it was my first goal of the season, but it was a beautiful one as well. And had we not let a silly goal in, it would have been the winning goal. It was a good game. We should have won it. I'm going to head off to this party tonight. Probably try and meet the football lot out later, possibly, because it's our Christmas do for football team as well. Science Sunday just been uploaded, so if you're watching this video, then you obviously will have already seen it, and if you haven't, go back and check it out and let me know what you think. Put in the comment section as well what you want me to cover on the next one. I'm going to film it during the week so that it goes up for you guys on Sunday, which is Christmas Day, because I'm not going to be sitting there editing, filming and uploading on Christmas Day. I'm going to be sitting there eating and drinking loads of rubbish food and drink. So, but I'm going to go to, I don't know what I've done with my other tripod, so I'm going to go to the gym with this one, try and film my workout and get some decent footage for you guys so I can do a nice edit. But I'm sure to get a few odd looks walking in there with this, but it's all in the name of YouTube. It's all for you guys, so appreciate it. Show me a thumbs up and I will see you guys in the